Okay, I want to give an update here on my true potato seedlings. You will recall from a previous video that I planted these under the solar eclipse just to see if that, made any kind of difference. And this is what the tray looks like 12 days after planting. And all the seedlings have come up, it appears, in all the cells except for 2 cells, 1 and 2 there. Other than that, it looks like everything has come up. They're doing well, and if all of these grow and survive and become fruitful plants out in the garden later, man, I'm gonna have a lot of potatoes. So this is gonna be good and interesting to see what the results are in the end at the harvest. So anyway, just an update. Several of these have several plants. There's 4 in here, for example. This one's got 3. There's at least 4 or 5 there and there and there. This one's got 2 or 3. Yeah, so there's going to be lots. Anyway, just an update. They look like they're doing really well. They're very spry and healthy looking. And this is, once again, from True Potato Seed. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Liking and subscribing really helps a small channel, so thank you so much.